Welcome to another session on morphological image processing. So in this video I will be discussing about the hit or miss transformation. Hit or miss transformation is used for detection of shapes in a given object. Let us understand the hit or miss transformation by considering this figure. So here this is a set A consisting of the set C, set D and set E. So in this example we are going to find the match or hit for the set D. How we do that is we take a window which will be little bigger than the set D and subtract set D from the window, and we get this frame like structure, and we call that as the local background of D. Next step, we are going to find the complement of A, and in the third step we are going to find the erosion of set A by the set D, so which would give us these two regions. One is a point and the other one is the shaded region here, where the point is the origin for that D. So the D is fully contained at the origin. That's what it means, which is the origin of D. Next we are going to find the erosion of the A complement and this local background of D. So we get the result as shown here, where again we can see the origin, and when we take the intersection or what is common between the last two steps would give us where exactly is the origin of D, and we can identify or locate or find a match for the set D. So that is the last step. So we find the intersection of the previous two steps to find the match for set D. Let us formulate this mathematically. If B denotes the set composed of D and its background, the match or set of matches of B in A is denoted by the symbol. So therefore the set of matches or the match of B in A is nothing but the intersection of the set, that is erosion of A by D, and erosion of A complement by the local background of D. Rewriting this in terms of B by taking B is equal to B1 comma B2, where B1 is the object and B2 is the background. Therefore we get the above equation in terms of B1 and B2. So this equation is called the hit or miss transform equation. So what we have seen thus far in this module is we have seen the erosion. That is, erosion is nothing but the removal of structures of certain shapes and size, which is given by the structuring element, and dilation is the filling of holes of certain shapes and size given by the structure element, and opening is done by erosion followed by the dilation process, and closing is done by dilation which will be followed by a erosion process. And we have seen that opening and closing are duals with respect to complementation and reflection, and we have also seen erosion and dilation are duals of each other with respect to complementation and reflection. And lastly we have seen that Hit or miss is a template matching where we use it to find the location of one shape among the set of shapes. In the next video, I will be looking at the university question papers, and some of the topics that are not mentioned in the syllabus appears, so we will be discussing those topics from this unit. Thank you.